Hi boys and girls, I'm Miss Sarah and this is a crafty kit. So let's take a look to see what we're going to be making today. We are making a CD case Suncatcher. So in your crafty kit bag, you should have a fun looking CD case, some tissue paper, a little container of black paint, and don't worry, you do not need a lot of black paint. This will be more than enough. And a little piece of ribbon. For if you want to use that, you can. And you'll also have a paintbrush and an instruction sheet. And then something that you will also need is a glue stick. So go find a glue stick, and then you might need some tape later too if you want. But this is a very easy craft to do. So you're gonna go ahead and open up your CD case. And you're going to start by, I like doing, you can really do this however you want. You can start with painting first, you can start with gluing first. I'm gonna start with painting first because then that can dry while I am working on gluing the tissue paper down. So you're gonna draw on the clear side. So when you open it up, you're gonna be drawing on this side. And you're gonna use the paint to draw whatever picture you want. So, I'm gonna do a little flower. And I forgot to mention, you might wanna put something down in front of you before, like a piece of paper or something. So when you look up, you see this beautiful painting kind of on it. So the next thing you're gonna do is just glue tissue paper down on the colorful side, on the other side of the CD case. So that's what you're using the glue stick for. And you're just putting it down however you like almost overlapping. And you can glue as much or as little tissue paper on as you want, but you just want it to have that kind of effect right there. So however you want to lay it down is fine. And then once mine is not dry right now, so once you are finished with your tissue paper and your painting, you are going to go ahead and close it, and then you have something that might look like this. And this is, I can bring it a little closer, isn't it gorgeous? And then if you hang it up in a window, the sun can kind of shine through it a little bit. So that's why you have a piece of ribbon. So if you want to, you can just leave it like this. You're done. You had a lot of fun. However, if you want to hang it up in your window, we did put in a little piece of ribbon in your crafty kit bag, and you can just go ahead and tape that ribbon right on the back. So just use a little tape it on the back, make it a loop, and then you're all done and you can hang it in your window. So it's super easy, and I hope you guys have fun making this craft. Bye.